Welcome back, PonPon Gang. This is the PonPon Sisters YouTube channel, and my name is Shantae. I'm the mother of the 3 beautiful PonPon sisters, and today we are doing a natural makeup glam look, I guess you can say. I get a lot of questions about how I achieve my makeup looks and what products to use and how, and you know, all that. So we're gonna keep it pretty simple because they just wanted a basic everyday makeup look, which most people do because most of us are regular people. We can't just be walking around, you know, like drag queens all day. Although, you know, I attempt to try to walk around like a drag queen at work. I'm going to do a simple, quick, and easy look. Shouldn't take no more than 20-25 minutes. Is that simple and easy, or is that still kind of, I mean, that's pretty much what I spend on doing my face every day. So I don't know any other way to cut it down for you unless you just don't do certain stuff that I do. So what I first start off with, I always start off with eyebrows, and I use a handy dandy brow pencil. I go in using my EBIN, and I legit pick up this bad boy out of my beauty supply store because they're the only place I know that sells it as of right now. Sketch out my bottom line, then sketch out the top line, and fill, and it's pretty simple. So I'm gonna go in with the second brow, and I do the same thing. I am kind of careless when I fill in my eyebrows. I'm not very precise, I guess. I go in and fill, and then take my brush and brush it out to get that faded look right in the front because I don't have no eyebrows in the front. Then I go in to clean it up because, like I said, I kind of throw them on there. I'm not very precise, and that's because I know I'm gonna go in and clean it up with a concealer. And I love my Makeup Revolution's Conceal, and I use the color C12. I open up my concealer. It has an applicator inside, and I just go in with a little bit on my brush and go right up under the eyebrow. If I was like extra messy, I do have to clean up the top, but for today, I think we're good. And then the same thing on the other brow. And just brush it down onto the eyelid. And this also doubles as my eyeshadow base by putting concealer on my eyelid. So see, 2 birds, 1 stone. We might be out of here in 15 minutes. For my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna try to keep this as simple as possible too. So lately I've been wanting to do a yellow smoky eye, but it's so hard to find a yellow that'll show up on me. So I'm gonna attempt it because I end up having to do a sunset smoky eye by adding oranges and reds because the yellow doesn't work out the way I want to. So today we're going for it. And if it doesn't come out right, it's oh well. So I will be using my go-to Jaclyn Hill. I absolutely love this palette. I'm gonna go in with, and I still have my color card, her name is Creamsicle. And she's this nice, pretty, like muted yellow. And I'm gonna dig up in her because I need her to show up. I'm gonna apply her all over the eyelid. And I'm gonna try to keep this eye look simple. Like, I really be trying, and it don't be going that way. So yeah, the way she's showing up, she's definitely a transition color, but we gonna make her show up because I refuse. Like, I'm gonna get me a yellow smoky eye. So I'm gonna try patting her in. That way I don't blend her out too much. And I'm probably gonna end up with a lot of fallout because this is a mute color. Should I add some glitter to that inner corner? We might have to because she don't look like she's gonna behave. But I have another yellow that I can try if this one doesn't work out the way we want it to. I'm sorry, my brush I'm using is a Morphe brush that I recently purchased and I absolutely love. So this one is number 433, M433, and she's like the perfect little dome shape blending brush. She's there, but she ain't there like I want her to. So I also have a yellow from Shayla's Colourpop Proceed with Caution that I recently purchased, and I love the lippies that came in that collection. She's like really, really yellow, so we're gonna try her out on the lid and see what we get. Oh, why have I not used that one yet? Then I'm gonna go in with another fluffy blending brush. This is M441, my Morphe brushes. And I'm gonna go in with Creamsicle from Jaclyn Hill. And this eye, blend right in that crease. Now that I have my eyeshadow on and we use 2 colors, very simple, we are now going to go in with some face primer, and my cheap face primer is my Maybelline Baby Kiss or Baby Skin. Lord bless my heart. And I only apply my primer in my T area. Now for my foundation, another Makeup Revolution cheap find or cheap buy, whatever, is their Conceal and Define foundation. And you're probably wondering why I have 2 colors in my hand, and that's because I need 2 colors in the summertime because my high pigmentation parts of my skin is dark while the other half is still light. It ain't caught up from the winter. I used the F13 on the outside of my face where the darkness is, and the F12 towards the inside of my face where I'm still white. Then I take my beauty blender that I also got from Morphe, and I absolutely love this beauty blender. And I start on the outside and work my way in. And I'm gonna go back in with the concealer that we used on our brows, and I'm gonna go in and cover up these mommy bags that I got. Because with 3 kids, honey, they drive you absolutely insane. Love them to death. But they make me look like a 40-year-old sometimes. I don't appreciate that. Go in with my blush, and I use the E4 brush. It's another nice contour fluffy brush. And my favorite blush right now is my Shayla Contour Under Construction. That one again. Yeah. And her name is Whistle While You Work. she has this nice pinky color. You see her? Did I break her? Oh, you see her? Ain't she pretty? And she just like comes, like glides on so nicely. To spritz our face with this makeup finishing spray, and this is my Mary Kay one because I haven't finished her yet, so I'm still using her right now, and she does fine. So go back in with my Jaclyn palette. And I think, I'm sorry, her name is Queen. Oh, good Queen. Hey, how you doing? My favorite highlight right now is the Colourpop Disney Villain. This is the guy from The Princess and the Frog, the bad guy, and he is Meet Me on the Other Side. And I use a beauty blender because this is a cream. Very pretty. And we can be done, like this is it. But for me, I'm gonna add some lashes because lashes have been my thing lately. And I have these new faves by EBIN again. I found her at my local beauty supply store, and this is a Wildcat. She's a 3D lash. I really like 3D lashes, like they are like, all right, so I am back. I have installed the lashes, and for my lips, I went ahead and took my lips off camera. I used the Colourpop, or Shayla Colourpop Lippy Pencil, and this one is BFF4. It is like the prettiest brown, like it goes with every shade I have. And then for my lipstick, I use Rich Truffle, and this is by Mary Kay. And she is like my favorite nudie lipstick. And we are complete with our look. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and be back to finish it off with some bomb ass pictures.